So we have the 2022 John Deere 210G. Gonna give you a quick operations video on it. Thumb and bucket work perfectly. Tracks as new. Go ahead and show you the tracks. 2-speed. We go to the other side here. Tracks work great. All right. Clean as it gets. Auto idle down on this machine. It also does turn off after about 10 minutes if you let it sit and idle. This is the new function that they put on these Deeres to save you fuel. So this unit's available. Give us a call at 972-666-9501.